I'm also painfully aware that the later in the day we get, the less likely we are to sit. Hold on. Oh my god. Is that a snake? I think I just found an Asclepian snake. I've just found an Asclepian snake. Well, it's not even on the other side of the fence. We've done it, we've done it. Go on, I can't believe that. Okay, so that's definitely an Asclepian snake, which is amazing. It's basking at the minute, so it's not moving very much. It's probably not going to for a while, but I've got time, so I won't get too close. I'll stay away from it and give it its distance, as you should with all snakes. But yeah, we've got another one ticked off our list. I can't believe that. Hopefully we can get a picture of its head. That is its sneaky little face, its sneaky little snake face right there. Oh, what a dream.